Driving our 1967 4-speed manual Corvette, black with the red stripe, black interior, black manual convertible top. And just the way this drives is perfect. Got our original clock, original gauges, our original radio. Get that really nice sound we all like. Our power steering and power brakes are really strong. Not as good as a new car, but especially in this day and age, couldn't really ask for more than a Corvette. Got the really fancy wooden wheel here. Now we're going to open her up a little bit. It sure is better than a Tesla. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around, get her on the lift, let you all take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.
Is that, Rob, you said 4-page strike line? 5? I would prefer 5, that way we're not under. Alright, no problem.